Here with Kelly, we are doing another movement that we have only done a couple of times. This is something that I like to do sometimes in a warm-up. You can do it in between movements. It's a really nice way to help the body learn how to work together, right? So we're gonna do something called an arm roll. She's gonna lie on her back. She's gonna have one knee bent. If this knee is bent, this arm is gonna reach and move, so her arms are back. She's gonna look at her right hand, and then she's always gonna look at her hand, because your eyes and your head are also gonna help with this movement. She's gonna take her hand and start reaching down. She's gonna reach across her body and lift her head up, and as soon as she hits the ground on that side, she's gonna start pushing, and she's gonna use this arm, not her torso, relax, there you go, to reach and push. And that reach and that push is gonna open up and stretch all of this so she can breathe through this, and then come back to where she started. And if it feels good, she can go any direction that way with it. So she can go straight to what I would call 9 o'clock. She could go up to 10 or 11, whatever feels safe and comfortable for her body. That's the most important thing. Feels good, right? And you're constantly breathing as you're going through it so that everything is getting some movement. And then as you get better at this, you can actually reach over there. And then at the tail end of that reach, just let the whole body roll over. And then she's gonna follow her right hand back towards her hip, so this way, and she's gonna look at it, and she's gonna use her arm to go up and roll over that way. And this is so important for Kelly because we've been dealing with some back stuff, and we're getting her back to flex and extend and rotate, and it feels good, right?
Yes.
So it's not threatening to her body, but she can get it out of her back that way, right? That's what we're doing.